Hello, today I'll be unboxing the Logitech G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. So I've just unboxed my 933 headset, my G502 mouse and my G40 240 gaming mouse pad. So expect those videos to come shortly. But right now we're just going to unbox the gaming keyboard. So this is the Logitech G213 Prodigy keyboard. It's got RGB lighting, 16.8 million colours. On the side of the box, G213 Prodigy. Top, Logitech with the G. Other side, some specifications, length 218mm, width 452mm, height 33mm, and weight is 1.1 kilos. So good. It's got a 2 millisecond response rate, I think it is. Feedback. 16.8 million colours, as I said. I think it's splash resistant, spill resistant, and it's got pause and play, pause, mute button. So that's pretty cool. So let's get my unboxing knife and let's get this open. Got that. Got that. Chop that away before I cut myself. Alright, let's see what we get. Alright, so opening it up. First off, we get our keyboard. Just take that out. Yeah. Keyboard there with our wires. Let's chuck that aside for now. And let's see what else we get in the box. That seems to be all of it. So, let's bring the keyboard back. Alright, so here is the keyboard. I'll just take it out of this little bag it's in. So that's the keyboard there. I don't know if it is mechanical, but it's got lights, which is cool. Feels quite nice actually. And you can see that will feel good. And then we got these. I don't know what they're called, but they're little stand thing. So it'll be nice. And it also comes with some sort of instruction manual, which just plug it into your computer, your laptop, and some safety and warranty information. So that was my unboxing of the Logitech G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. Hope you enjoyed.